In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Sephora gift card. So for those people who do not know Sephora, basically Sephora is a French retail store which sells beauty product or in another word cosmetic products, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can buy its gift card. But before that, you're watching One to Step YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step is you want to search for Sephora gift card, then you want to click on the first link where it says gift card and e-gift cards. Now once it takes you to Sephora.com, which is the official website of Sephora, what you want to do is you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says choose a design for e-gift cards. E-gift card means email gift card, alright? Now over here you can choose either for a friend or for you. So since I want to buy a gift card for myself, I'm going to go for me, but you choose yourself. I'm going to click on send a digital gift card. Over here you can choose the design. I'm going to go for Happy Diwali and click on how much. And over here I want a $25 gift card, so I'm going to choose $25 and I want one of it, so I'm going to go with one and I'm going to click on add to cart. Once I do that, basically this is going to be my card and my total is going to be 25, so I'm going to click on checkout. Once I click on checkout, it's going to ask for my email, phone number and other stuff over here like my card detail. And once I fill up all this form and click on place my order, basically my order will be placed and according to the information over here, it's going to be sent to me on that email, alright? So that's basically how you guys can buy Sephora gift card. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys and stay tuned for our future video.